This book is called Fun with Colors, and it focuses on the color pink. Let's take a look at some of the things that are pink. This piglet is pink. A piglet is a baby pig. A lot of piglets are pink. This little boy is blowing a bubble with bubble gum. The bubble gum is pink. There are 3 flamingos in this picture. 1, 2, 3. The flamingos are pink. They have pink feathers and they have pink legs. This little girl is wearing a pink hat. The hat has stripes. There are light pink stripes and dark pink stripes. Some of these kittens have pink noses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kittens have pink noses. These treats are all pink. These are popsicles, and they are pink in color.